Hey everyone, just thought I'd share some new products with you guys. We got our 63 twin turbo Coyote F100 here that we just finished up installing the manual brake conversion kit. As you can see here, this is a brake booster delete system. So what it does is it actually deletes the vacuum assisted brake booster and then creates this to be 100% manual setup. Our kit comes with Firewall adapter plate to give you a little bit more rigidity when attaching the master cylinder to the firewall. The kit does come with the Wilwood master cylinder, built-in proportioning valve. It's got your brake switch right up in there. It's got a nice little bracket to hook up the proportioning valve. Really cleans up the engine bay and gives you a nice updated look. We do have firewall panels available. Cleans up the firewall really nice. Nice bead rolled panel on both sides. You can weld them in, or they are bolted as well. Some other pieces we got, billet valve covers. Those are also available. I mean, they kind of speak for themselves. They just look super great, especially when running a turbo system. Keep you from melting valve covers. Trust me, I have experience with that. We also have available billet coil covers, which you can get custom anything on it. We can make whatever kind of logo, shop logo, name of the truck, whatever you want, it'll go on there. And these will bolt on to factory valve covers as well, so you don't have to get the billet valve covers. We also have the clutch master cylinder conversion as well. So if you're doing a manual setup, meaning a manual transmission setup, we do have the clutch combo to go with it. Same thing with the firewall adapter plate. So on the inside here, you can see we have Wilwood's pedal arms. And we do have our adjustable billet pedal pad. So this pedal, you can actually move if you have to shift it over a little bit left, a little bit right, you're able to do that. This is the manual version. We do have an automatic one, which basically has this pedal pad that's a little bit larger. Now we have the gas pedal that will just screw into any throttle pedal that you have. We do sell these individually, or we do sell these pedal pads separate. So if you already have, you know, a nice system that you like, you just want to jazz up the interior, these are actually reverse dimple, so you can get, you know, some grip for it. We do sell automatic and manual pedal pads by themselves. You know, you get your gas pedal, clutch and brake for a manual kit, or gas and just the brake. Just a couple products that we have going on, a few little update stuff. Please remember that these brake conversion kits are universal, so they're not F100 specific, so you can literally put them in any car, hot rod, truck, rat rod project, whatever you want. Also, the firewall panels, we do also have those available for different makes and models. We pretty much all F100 trucks from 61 to 79. We're working on some of the earlier stuff, and then we do have them available for some GM muscle cars. We can also make them custom for you, so if you have a car or truck that you're interested in making some panels on, give us a shout. We'll see if we can make something custom for you. Probably wondering what is going on with Taylor lately. You just have to stay tuned for more. If you're new to the channel, thanks for checking us out. Consider subscribing. If you've already been here, thanks for watching. Find all their information at hutcheswelding.com. Find us on social media, Hutches Welding. Stay classy. Thanks for stopping by.